I got the death cart all back together, engine all bolted up, and the new TV gasket put in. There was a second half to this video where I put that crankcase cover back on, put the TV on, but YouTube being a bitch, and my phone being an even bigger asshole, the file format had an error and it failed to upload, and it fucked up my phone and all kinds of other bullshit. So that video's lost in space somewhere. Thank you, YouTube and Samsung, for making such bullshit devices that are absolute trash. But the death cart's all back together. There's no oil in it right now because I gotta wait for the RTV to cure. I've got the Diamond Fire plug in the engine, and all the other works and bullshit hooked back up. Fuel on and all that bullshit. But I added a fuel cutoff to the tank so I can disconnect the engine without having any issues. And there's a second fuel shutoff on the actual motor. Got the throttle cable and all that fucking bullshit hooked back up. And I gotta tighten up the drain plug on this son of a bitch before I forget. And then it should be all good to go.